Hello everyone. My name is Jonas Ngumba. I am a principal curator at the Wingabow Marine Museum and Cultural Center, a museum that is located in the southern highlands of Tanzania, in Iringa, to be specific. We actively participated in the project that required to create something that will raise people's awareness or that will trigger the ongoing debate about the restitution of different artifacts, ethnographic collections, and even human remains which were taken from different German colonies in Africa. And for that cause, we partnered with Frankfurter Volksschule, a collective art group from Germany. So we had to stage a theft of boys' lemon art from Germany to bring it to Tanzania, because we thought this could reverse the old thing that happened many more years back. But we viewed it as a simplest way of making people understand the whole project and understanding the whole debate. So we knew from the beginning that we were going to receive a replica here in Iringa, but that was never problematic for us, because as I have said earlier, what's important for us was to open people's minds, to make the whole thing big, to make the debate even more powerful. And we use the whole project as a food for thought. We need more people to get involved. We need everyone participating in the restitution process to understand that from this side also people are having different views about the process. You see, we understand different communities have their different perception about forebearers, but for us, we believe our forebearers, they never had a race because their remains were taken away. And that's why we think it's important to bring them back to be buried at their home places. Because we also believe that since their remains are not here, then there is no existing link between the younger generation and our forefathers. That's why we see it as an important thing to be done. So the original piece of art is in Germany, is in the City Theater in Germany, somewhere in the back room. And it is our belief that everybody who came across different published articles understood our motive behind the whole staged video that was released. Thank you.